beware from little expenses because a small leak can sink the whole ship. आशय क्या है इसका हिंदी में? छोटे छोटे खर्चों से सावधान हो जाइए. क्यों? क्योंकि जहाज में एक छोटा सा छेद भी पूरी जहाज को डुबो सकता है. Yes, my dear student, if you have a mentality of being rich in your life, then you have the need to what? You have the need to first earn money. Second, you have the need to try to invest money. And third one, you have the need to try to save money. And fourth, you have the need to try to expense money. Then you can spend your money for purchasing anything. But you have the need to follow this rule. If you will follow this rule, then in future, really you can be rich. In a present time, if you are a poor, you are just facing the challenges of financial problem, there is no problem. But this is my guarantee. This is the guarantee of education. If you are earning money, how much you are earning, I don't know. But the 10%, 20% or 30%, you are investing in some platform like that LIC, mutual fund, share market. There are so many platforms. If you are investing there, then your money will give you return. And in the future, really you can be rich. Thank you very much. If you are liking my video, please share with your friends. Thanks a lot.